Andreas from Nordcraft here, and I'm back with another great feature of Nordcraft 2.0, themes. Themes allows you to create and organize your project's design token and even create multiple themes, so either you automatically switch between light mode and dark mode based on user preference, or you let your users choose their own theme. Themes are also a really great way of guiding the AI agent to use the right color scheme and design inside your project. Let's dive in. You can access themes with this button in the bottom bar or by pressing V. And now you can see all the different theme variables that you've set for your project, right? And so let's try and add a new one. So right here, if we close our themes again, you can see we have this button and it uses this background color right here. So let's copy that, add a new variable to our theme, and we can add all sorts of types depending on what they represent. So based on the type you pick, they show up different places in your CSS panel. In this case, it's going to be a color, and we're going to call this color, and then we're going to do 2 hyphens and then primary. And the 2 hyphens is because that is how we do grouping here on the left. So every color is part of a category, and the category is based on its name, right? So if I check colors, I see all the ones starting with color. So it's a really easy way to organize your theme into different subcategories. You just give them a name that matches that category. So our primary color here, we're gonna set that to be our color from primary. And then of course here, I'm gonna go and update this to now say color primary. And because that's in my theme and it's set to be a color, it automatically pops up inside my editor now, right? We can even use our new AI assistant and say replace all instances of reps with color primary, if I can spell primary. And it'll just do a quick search and find everywhere this color is used. Go and quickly edit the file. And we can now here see, well, what are the ones it edited? It said the background for this span right here. There's a span up here where the text color is set. And we see a bunch of different places. It even found that inside our services formula here, where we're generating the data for all these services down here. Even down here, it also found it and replaced it with the right variable. So let's accept all these changes, right? And now if I'm making any changes in here, it applies everywhere, right? In addition to using themes to organize your project's design tokens, you can also create multiple themes and even have them switch automatically based on users' preference, such as light mode and dark mode. You can create as many themes as you want and even create theme pickers for users to select the one they like the best. Let me show you how it works. Let's create a new theme right here. We'll call it dark. And I'm now gonna use my little menu here to first emulate this theme. That means it'll be the one we see in our canvas, and also set it to the default dark theme. So if users have prefer dark color scheme set, this is the theme they'll see by default. And all I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna take my background color from the light theme and put it in as text. And I'm gonna take my text color from the light theme and put it as background. And that's actually pretty good already. The text muted here is not great, so let's set that manually. Just about there, that looks good. And obviously it's a very simple version, but now we created a light version of this that actually works fairly well in the same design. Thank you very much for watching. We've got even more great stuff coming, so make sure you subscribe and get notified when the next video is out.